Hi, I'm Judy, and this is Martin from Urban Cottage Landscapes in the city of Guelph, Ontario.
Have you been fortunate enough to spend time at a cottage, sitting in the shade, feeling a sense of pleasure and calm? We bring the sensory experience of the cottage back to the city. Rocks, landforms, trees and water that create the sense of wonder and inspiration. This landscape is restorative and healing. Urban Cottage Landscapes makes it so that you can enjoy the cottage day in and day out.
Why is this significant? Well, for most of us, individuals, families, children, the cottagescape reconnects us as humans to nature. The cottage feel is relaxing and calming. Rather than spending time maintaining it, you'll spend more time enjoying it, unwinding, and just being with it.